Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of 23 Lady Musgrave Road. Now this is a commercial complex and the name of it is 23 LMR, which basically is 23 Lady Musgrave Road, but they just name it after the address, so it's called 23 LMR. It's still under construction, but straight ahead on the building where you see that black space going from the floor to the top, it's going to have the words 23 LMR there. Now this is a commercial building and it's 5 stories. And to the right is a side road, and then straight ahead, that main road where the car just turned off, that's Lady Musgrave Road. So it has 15,000 square feet of rentable space. Now the entire lot is 18,180 feet, or a third of an acre. So it's kind of small, but it is going to have 15,000 square feet of rentable space. And it's also going to have parking, both on the surface and in the basement. But you don't access the parking lot from under this building. It's to the left of where the building is. Where you see those surface parks, it's to the left of that. So this is a very nice building. I must say the building designs are getting very modern. Instead of just putting up a brick, they are putting up these very modern designed buildings. And it should be ready sometime this year. As you can see, they are very close to completion. So that road you're looking at now is Lady Musgrave Road. And Lady Musgrave Road is actually going to be renovated, and it's going to become a dual carriageway, 4 lanes with the concrete barricade in the middle. And I hope when they renovate the road, they change the name. This road should be renamed. We won't get into the history of this road, but I really hope they change the name when they renovate it. Okay, now that building on the left is 45 HR, which is 45 Hope Road. It's a 10-story building and it's under construction. That one has, I think, 58,000 square feet of rentable space. And let's see if we can get a glimpse of the Rogers. There it is. Is that the Rogers? Straight ahead to the left. That's the Rogers. Actually, no, that's 20 South. To the left of the screen now, that's the Rogers. That is the tallest building in Jamaica. That's a residential building, apartments, townhouses. So, and it's also under construction. Then, believe it or not, there is another building a little down from the 45 HR that is a call center being built for Usain Bolt. So you can see literally in one drone shot 4 buildings under construction. This one here, 23 LMR, 5-story. The one to the left, 45 HR, 10 stories. The Rogers, 20 stories, the tallest building in Jamaica. And then the Usain Bolt call center just in front of the Andrews Hospital on Hope Road. I think that one is 4 or 5 floors. So as you can see, a lot is going on in Jamaica. And this is just one section. If we continue down Lady Musgrave Road, so many more developments and so many more to come. Cygnus is going to build a development down there. You have 80 LMR, and then you have at the corner of Lady Musgrave Road and Trafalgar Road a 5-story building that's going up. And then you have the Bonnie Chance, a residential building further down Lady Musgrave Road, but you have to turn off. And then by Crossroads, you have the Ascent, 27 floors to be built. So I've never seen so much construction going on in Jamaica at any one time before. You really have to love the progress. So this is a view of 23 LMR from the Lady Musgrave Road now. As you can see, very nicely put together, very nicely designed, very modern looking. Has a modern design. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And also we'll give you updates on this building every 2 weeks until it is opened. And if there's any video you want us to make, just leave a comment in the section below. We'll be happy to make the video when we can. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.